Alright everyone, we're going to be reviewing the Rekon 6 long-range analog version. Here we go, I'm going to open it up. This drone is made by HDLRC and it's built for maximum efficiency. So we start... When I first opened this up, it came with two little Christmas stockings. That's cool. Ordered this during Christmas time, didn't arrive till now. That's a fun little addition that they added here. Very nice. And also when I ordered it, they had a deal where they would send an extra motor. So this is the motor that goes with this Rekon 6 long-range quad. Looks like I also got some props here. I ordered these as well just to go along with the new quad. I don't have any of these props. They're two-bladed 6-inch props, so they're made by Gemfan. Rekon FPV. It's a nice box, looks nice and clean. Let's cut it open. Let's open it up. Boom. Look at this quad. So first thing I see here is a naked GoPro mount, or maybe SMO 4K mount. So nice little addition there for those running a naked GoPro. And as well, we get a bunch of M2 screws, it looks like, to hold this thing together. Super lightweight. Got some more M2 screws, and looks like this quad comes with two sets of props as well. So that's nice. I'll have lots of props for when I take some crashes. Hopefully I'm not crashing too far away. And we got this big old antenna for that long range reception. Last little bit of extras here in the box are two battery straps. Very nice. Little Rekon FPV battery straps. And two impact absorbing arms here so that you can protect this quad on a crash. A couple more screws and some stickers down here in the base. But here is the quad. Wow, this is cool looking. So far I've only flown 5-inch freestyle quads, so the dead cat look of this, I'm gonna put this antenna on here. The dead cat shape of this quad so that the props are out of the way is a different look, and these arms are extra skinny, which is definitely interesting change from what I've had on my past freestyle quads. So just to go into some details here, this frame is the Rekon 6 long range frame. The flight controller on here is a Zeus F722 mini flight controller, and the ESCs are 4-in-1 BL Heli Zeus 28 amp ESCs, and the VTX here in the back is Zeus 800 milliwatt VTX, so we can run 25, 100, 200, 400, and 800 milliwatts, but with long-range flying, you're going to want to run high output power on that. The camera we got going here is the Caddx Ratel 2 FPV camera. It's nicely protected in the TPU mount up here in the front. One of the other interesting new things about this quad are these Rekon 2105.5 1500 kV motors. Super efficient, but they also have this 2-peg mounting design so that you can put these two-bladed props on and make sure you never have prop failure. if you can see those little pegs there, and then you put the screw on top. On the back end here we have a Soder FPV drone buzzer on the bottom. This has its own battery, and we got to turn it off every time after each flight. And then it also has a M80 GPS unit here on the back so that we can have return to home and other good GPS functions. The props we're running are going to be these Gemfan 6026 6-inch props, two-bladed for more efficiency. Here is TBS Crossfire micro receiver, and it's not diversity, but it does have this interesting swivel mount here. So this TPU thing is mounted onto the standoff so that you can have a vertical Immortal T antenna here, so no matter where the quad is facing, you're gonna not be blocked by the carbon on the quad, so you're gonna get maximum range out of this thing. One last thing to mention here is this this connector here is built for the SMO 4K or naked GoPro mount that's here, so that you can power your naked camera with this. I am excited to go take this out. It looks so different than any other quad that I've ever flown, and I'm gonna go get it set up and go take this thing for a rip.
In and out of this FaceTime like all night, acting like it wasn't your Wi-Fi, well it's not mine. You ain't been in my zip code in a long time, and your friend said I was the wrong guy, but you forgot why, so it's alright. I ain't saying that I need you back. If you was right here, baby, then at least I could reach you back. I ain't saying that I need you back. If you was right here, if you was right here. You tell Alexa to play me a note from your roommate. The short one is crazy. I came in a Uber, but it's a Mercedes. I gave you a month and you gave me a maybe. And maybe I missed it, or maybe you did. You call me your baby, you up in my crib. You snapping in photos like it was Madrid, but I go on your story but never your grid. So come on, I ain't even tripping about that no more. Ain't afraid to hit me right back no more. You ain't gotta see my Zodiac no more. No, no, no. You been steady blowing up the spot though. You just try me out like gelato. No, no, but it's cool, we in and out of this FaceTime like all night, acting like it wasn't your Wi-Fi, well it's not mine. And you ain't been in my zip code in a long time, and your friend said I was the wrong guy, but you forgot why, so it's alright. I ain't saying that I need you back. If you was right here, baby, then at least I could reach you back. I ain't saying that I need you back. If you was right here, baby, if you was right here, if you was right here.